So this is a quick how-to on to create a Shopify store. So first of all, go to shopify.com/partners and click the big join now button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you will then be able to get to Shopify Partners dashboard. You click stores and add new, and you are presented with this. So first of all, I will pick the development store, give the store a name. I've already got a store called that. That's why it's auto-completing. So I'm going to call this test for test store. Obviously, someone's already taken that, so it has to be unique. So I'm going to say test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9, 4, 5, TY. Just random, it'll do. But you have to pick a name that you want there. But it has to be individual within the Shopify namespace. So this can be your email. It usually defaults to the account owner's email, and then you can give it a password. I'm just going to fill mine out, and this will be deleted later. And then we fill out an address. So this can be number 1 street. This is the shop address. So I'm going to give it a random postcode. So and that will do. And I'm basically going to say I'm just playing around now, and then click save. And then Shopify will go ahead and create your store. So the store is now ready. To view all the different options, you've got add products. To get started with adding products, you can customize your theme, transfer or add a current domain. So basically you could have myshop.com here instead of this random string of myshopify.com. But for now, I'm just going to leave that alone. Some domain registrars, there is an automated process for this section. You can find the documents and learn more about domains. And of course, the big setup payments. Basically, you can learn more here at Shopify Payments. Basically, you click the big green button and then enter all your credentials for your payment details that you want to use with your store. So there are a number of sections here, but these are going to be later videos, like install developer tools, etc. Theme kit being one of them, and the Shopify authentication and keys for that. Quick overview here. So this is everything within your store on the top left, including the apps that you have installed. And when you click on online store, you get themes, blog post page, navigation, domains, and preferences. Basically, by default, it will install the latest theme, which is currently Dawn 2.0. And you can either preview, rename, duplicate, edit code, and edit languages, etc. So just in brief, we're going to click the customize button. So this will give you the home page, and this is what you're currently customizing. You can switch that to one of the other template types. We'll just focus on the home page for now. So we've got the announcement bar, and that's the bar that sits up at the top here that says welcome to our store. You can basically change that to, I'm going to use hello world, and then you can choose your background color for this. And you can also attach it to a link which will go to a collection, product pages, blogs, blog posts, or a policy page. And that's the simplest way to use the announcement bar. The header, you've got your basic color scheme options there. You can select an image, and that will go over this test random string that we gave the store name. If there's no image, the store name will show there. You can alter the size of it once it's uploaded, number of options there, and some extra theme settings for your social networks. Image banner section. This is this lovely big block at the top. You got a number of different options. You can add block text and buttons. You've also got rich text, which is this section here, and featured collection. That will show once you actually have products in the store, and all the associated options here. So without going further into it, you've collage. Again, that's just a little section of blocks, and multi-column. It is what it is. And the footer, you got the quick links and heading, which is down here at the bottom with the subscription. So if we exit that and leave that page because we're not making any changes, basically that is the very default store you can make. And if you click the little icon, you can then see that in the browser as a preview. Hope that helps. That's how to get started with your first store in Shopify.